Welcome back to WALED Tech, 60 days of tech tips for educators. Today, we are going to talk about Google Sheets. And once again, let's take a look at the Google Sheet test quiz responses here. And what I want to show you today is how to make this Google Sheet a little more colorful and a little more easy to read by creating alternating colored rows. Some people think if you want to change a cell color, you can come here and you can choose a color and change your cell color like this. If you wanted to do that for this whole sheet, it would be tedious and time consuming. So let me show you a shortcut. Let's click in this first row and highlight all the rows we want to change the color of. So I've selected my range of rows and columns. And if we go to Format at the top on the toolbar and we go down to Alternating Colors, you'll notice now I've got alternating color options on the sidebar over here. So you can choose the color that works best for you. You may want to do something colorful like red or blue. So we'll just leave it like this. And make sure if you have a header, which this top is the header columns, if you want those to be a dark color, then leave header selected. If you don't have a header, you can unselect this and they'll all just be the same alternating. But I'm going to leave header selected, and now I have a very nice looking table, and it's easy to see when you're done the different items in the rows across. You can follow those with your eyes a lot easier. So it's that simple to make alternating colors on your Google Sheet. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll be back with another tip tomorrow.